What's goody? This is G. So back at it again with another video. If you guys are new here, what's good? My name is Michelle, and right now I'm taking the Take Me Back to Brazil palette and dig into that hot pink shade that you guys saw there and apply that all over the lid. So yeah guys, I'm hella breaking out as you guys can see, so excuse that, but don't even trip about it because I'm gonna be covering it up anyways, right? That's the point of makeup, to cover shit up that we don't want bitches to see, so it's all good. And the point of makeup is to look like a brand new bitch, you know what I mean? Like to not look like yourself, you know. If you look like yourself, that's the problem. You gotta restart. We gotta catfish these bitches. So once I'm done doing that, I'm gonna take my blending brush and blend everything out just so everything can look seamlessly and there are no harsh lines. And after that, I'm gonna be taking my Urban Decay by Special Effects lip top coat in the color White Lie, and trust me, it's not gonna stay that pigmented. It's a little sheer but very sparkly and holographic, so yes. And I'm gonna be taking my LA Girl Pro Concealer in the color Porcelain, and I'm gonna be doing a half cut crease with that. Did want to try new concealers. I feel like you guys are getting tired of seeing the same products that I always fucking use all the time. So if you guys have any suggestions for any good concealers out there, please let me know in the comment section down below. I feel like the ones that I've tried from the drugstore are not really working for me. They seem too sheer, so yeah. And now I'm gonna be going in with the same palette, grabbing both of these shades, this like burgundy and this like deep pink in there, and just applying that on the outline of my crease just to really define that. And I'm gonna be taking my Aurora Lights palette by BH Cosmetics, and I'm gonna be digging into that color Fluorescent and apply that all over my lid, just because before I apply my glitter I do like to add a base to it just to not work with something empty. And I'm gonna apply my eyeliner using the Milani Eye Tech Extreme in the color Black is Black. You know, I haven't done that much eyeliner look, so I feel like I gotta get back to that. Make sure I gotta slay this wing, you know, bitch. Gotta make it look like a bat's wing and shit. Okay, there we go. So we're gonna be taking the NYX glitter primer and apply that on the lid, and the glitter that I'm gonna be using today is by Beauty Creations, and the color that I'm using is called Pink Diamond. So make sure you guys have napkins, wipes and shit, because glitter is always messy, so make sure you guys have it already on your wherever it is that you do your makeup. And now this is the final look. This is how it ended up looking like damn bitch, like look at that motherfucking glow. Yes honey, like I haven't done a hot pink tutorial in a minute, so I'm very excited for this. I really like this look. I hope you guys did too. I also added some glitter, that same glitter on the bottom lash line, so if you guys want to look hella poppin', make sure you guys do the same thing. So if you guys enjoyed this tutorial, make sure you guys like, comment, share and subscribe and help a homegirl out. And like I always be saying, remember to do something different, try something new, and get the fuck out your comfort zone. I hope to see you guys on the next video. Bye guys, see you guys después.